Gen Z is now the most educated generation in history, with about 62% of high school grads enrolling in college. And that higher education often leads to better paying jobs, giving Gen Z more flexibility to get involved in the political process. Now, according to the United Way, about 50% of Gen Z say they've either attended a rally or protest in the past year. And Dr. Gross says that kind of engagement is exactly what democracy needs. Now, Gross says while some of these trends are similar to past generation, what stands out is Gen Z's belief that the government actually should do more to solve problems. Your reporter in Birmingham, James Giles, WBRC 6 News, on your side. Well, Steve, Brittany, tomorrow morning, Fairfield will officially cut the ribbon for the newly renovated Willie Mays Park. It's a project that has been in the works for quite some time, but finally made possible thanks to state, local leaders, and Major League Baseball. Organizers say the ribbon cutting will take place just before Major League Baseball's East-West Classic, which will be at Rickwood Field tomorrow. MLB's Senior Vice President of Social Responsibility, April Brown, says the league raised around $250,000 to renovate the park, and then that amount was later matched by the Atlanta Braves Foundation. Fairfield Mayor Eddie Penny says he's excited for what the park will bring to the youth in the community, especially since it sits right in the middle of a neighborhood. And again, that ribbon cutting is tomorrow morning at 9 in Fairfield at the Willie Mays Park. We're told the field will host both baseball and softball, giving everyone a place to play in Mays' name. Your reporter in Birmingham, James Giles, WBRC 6 News, on your side.